every smooth national highway lies something most people never notice. A hidden layer of engineering power, the cement stabilized base, or CSB. It doesn't shine like asphalt. It's not visible to the public, but without it, no road would survive years of heavy trucks, rain, or traffic. So, what exactly is CSB? It's a mix of soil or crushed aggregate, water, and just the right amount of cement. When mixed, spread, compacted, and cured, it transforms into a rock-solid foundation, almost like a concrete layer beneath the highway. Why do engineers use it? Because a road is only as strong as the foundation below it. If the base is weak, the asphalt will crack, deform, and fail, no matter how well it's built on top. Here's how CSB is constructed on a national highway. First, the subgrade is compacted and leveled. Soft soil is removed or stabilized. Second, the material for CSB is blended with cement, usually 3 to 6%. Water is added, not too much, not too little, just enough to activate the chemical binding. Third, the mixture is placed on the road and compacted with heavy rollers until it reaches at least 95 to 98% density, following highway standards. Fourth, curing. The finished layer must be kept moist or covered for around 7 days. No vehicles are allowed. This step is critical because this is when the cement bonds and gains strength. So why is CSB a game changer for national highways? It can support heavy trucks and axle loads without rutting. It resists deformation, cracking, and moisture damage. And it extends pavement life and reduces maintenance cost. And it allows the use of local soil and materials, making construction more sustainable and affordable. But if CSB is done poorly, problems appear fast. Cracks, shrinkage, weak spots, water infiltration, and soon the asphalt surface fails too. That's why strict quality control is needed. Checking cement ratio, moisture content, density tests, and compressive strength. Across many national highways, CSB has become a key solution, making our roads stronger, safer, and more durable. So next time you drive smoothly along a national highway, remember, just beneath your wheels lies a layer of engineering genius. The cement stabilized base. It's not just soil and cement, it's science, precision, and the foundation of the future of transportation.